Hi again, everybody. I'm Daniel Hazim, and I would like to describe for you the subject is air pollution. Of course, you know what is air pollution, and pollution is a regular word. Air pollution. So, before investigation, I would like to describe for you what is air pollution. In a regular life, we use the water in a lot, and it's a basic need in your environment. And we don't want to eat the dirty water, and we want to use a clean water in our life, for eat, for washing, and another thing we want to use uh, water in life. And of course, the human is the main cause for the air pollution. And air pollution is the one of the biggest. Garbage should be in trash, and garbage is not placed for water, for that sea, because we don't have a pipe between sewage and sea and river. We don't have pipe between sewage and sea, because this when we have pipe between sewage. Okay, I will try to first one soil, put the soil in the water, and you can see the first one. You can see in the first one, you can see the dirty water here, but some like in 30 minutes you can see the all of the soil put in the down, and we have the clear water. And if you can see, it's more clear here. And if soil is so lot, it's a little, I think it's a bit water pollution. Okay, the second one, then what I would like to investigation all of that, and I would like to try that. That's the water of orange. We have the water of orange. If I put the water of orange here, of course no happen in the water, and I can eat it. I can drink. I can drink it, and no happen. And in each day we use the water orange, and it's regular. Third one, I don't want to use another water. That's water orange. It's good for tasting. The third one is rock. I want to try that if rock can dirty the water or not. You can see if I put the, of course not, of course not. And the rock can't dirty and can't cause influence for air pollution. And you can see in the river and other, and in sea you can see the almost rocks have clear and good water. In the other, we have the rock in the sea and water. And so our garbage can dirty and can cause of air pollution. And of course we don't want to do that, and we shouldn't do that for our life, and for other people who like to use the water. And of course, so I'd like to condense all of the investigation in a minute. First one, I try to put the soil in the water, and that cause be if the soil is a lot, it's bit influencing the for air pollution. The second one is water of orange. Of course not cause for air pollution, and we use in our life. The second one is we put the rock in the down of the water, and of course not cause be for air pollution, because the last one is of course that the main for air pollution be through the garbage in the water. Of course the main cause for air pollution human, it's the main cause for air pollution, that garbage, the sea and river, and search for water that's not be place for trash